Edo Deputy Governor and People's Democratic Party PDP governorship aspirant Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu and his wife Comrade Miriam Philip Shaibu don't hold consultative meeting with 7 People's Democratic Party LGA women leaders for Edo South Senatorial District. The People's Democratic Party PDP Edo South Senatorial Woman Leader Reverend Pat West-Irabor will receive the Deputy Governor contact say make Oga Shaibu consider women for in cabinet if them elect him as Edo Governor.
Excellency Miriam is coming. Everybody was very happy to see the way we were dancing. We have been dancing since because we really want to see you. Want to see you make it to that place by the grace of God Almighty. Undermining the humiliation you have received. God is sitting on the throne. Who God want to bless, no man can touch, no man can remove. Because I believe you are unstoppable. I believe you will get to Dennis Osadebe Avenue by His grace. But our own is that the women should be carried along. How to have impact. Because during the time of Stella Obasanjo, they said 35% graduation formation for women. But in your time, we don't know how it's going to look like. But since you don't know, for the 8 years, you don't know what has been going on, whether women are being put in the proper place. But I know with you, I know you very well. If you cannot put us, I have somebody I will report you to. His Excellency, Mike, and Her Excellency, Chief Mrs. Louisa Okiadome, I will report you to them. Because I'm part and parcel of Fuga. So please remember us.
Oga Shaibu come here and say if elected as governor of the state, he go recognize women for in government and say he go carry women along for in government as he go work with First Lady, we go relate and tell am wetin the women need.
We are looking for this election. Women everywhere. We will mobilize our women, do everything. But when we get there, you'll be telling us our women are not qualified, they are not qualified. But when you are looking for election, they are qualified. Now you not get there, they are not qualified. This is not to stop. She always say it in the house. Have a woman like that. Obviously, you know that the interest of women is in her heart and is paramount. And she is a grassroots mobilizer herself. She's not the wife of a politician that sits at home and that look at computer always doing everything that he does. She's a wife of a politician that sees it on the ground and put in the computer to remind her. Not going to Google to know how to relate to people. No, she knows what is there on the ground. She puts it in the computer just for reminder. As far as women is concerned, it's paramount in my heart and in my hand. And I have a wife that is not because of politics. She's somebody that likes NGO things, have empowerment of women. She is something she enjoyed doing. So that is what we are bringing back to politics of the Edo State. We tell you how we feel, we listen to how you think is better, we put them together and we move on. Because that is the only way things can move forward. You cannot force things on people. You listen, understand, and you roll. And because we are hungry, when time reaches, just give them money, give them rice, give them things. After they have collected it, they will wait for another 4 years or 10 years. When they were coming, did they buy the votes? They didn't buy the votes. We gave the vote freely. So now they want to buy. Please collect the money. When you collect it, it's not a sale. The money you are collecting is the money you have worked for before.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ujiseli, TMC TV News.